in this video we will learn how to make the posts dynamic and how to make the custom posts type which we made for our many unique works or many unique tasks. We also make them dynamic. So let's get started. In the front end we are seeing some posts. I made it in index.php, and I also made some posts in our dashboard. So I need now my in my front end it will show the posts which we will upload in our dashboard. So let's get started and let's start the code. For that we have to make some PHP code in our index.php. At first I will remove the extra blocks or extra posts from here. I also want to remove the custom post type team now. Then we will set while loop here. I don't need second bracket or code. Have post say posts the post. Look, it is very easy. While have posts, if we have posts, then it will show the posts. That means when I have posts, it will show one by one post. And while loop is started here, and we for that we have to close the while loop in the ending of the post. That is end while. So now we have to make dynamic the image, the title, the content, and the author. We don't make any author here. I want to make some author. I want to show the time. So at first I have to make dynamic the image. For that I will cut the image tag, and here I will take a PHP block and then I write the post thumbnail. Thumbnail means picture, the post picture. In the title I have to write the title. First we have to take a PHP block and then the title. In the content we have to write a PHP block and the content. And then we have to set the author and we have to set the time. In the author we will take a PHP block and then we'll set the author. And then I want to set the time. This G is for hour, this I is for minute, and this A, this A means AM or PM. Which time, AM or PM? So if we reload our front end now, Then our post is thumbnail is showing, our post is showing, our title is showing, our author is showing. See, the author is a, the author is a, the time is showing, everything is showing. We have three posts and three posts is showing. The design is broken, but we can make the design in style.css file, but we have to learn the how to make dynamic, and we got that. Now we have another custom post type, that is team. So we have to customize team now for our team member section. Let's do it. I want to remove the post, and then I want to add the team member section here. The team member is showing, not showing. We have to set the get template directory URI. If we save and reload now, it's not showing because we have to echo the function. Get template directory URI means it finds the path to getting files or folder. So it's a backend version. So if we want to show something in our front end, we have to write the echo before the function get template directory URI. If we now reload our front end, our images are showing, and now we have to make this dynamic, that which I want to add here, that will show here. I want to add a new member, John Abrar. I want to set a member image. I want to set the title, pool manager. I have made two members, and if we want to show this dynamically in our front end, we have to do some codes. It is most similar to normal post, but I have to write some extra codes here. That is, as it is not default post, so we have to run a query, and then we have to tell WordPress our post type. We have to write here the post ID, which is set in functions.php file. See, our post ID is 1, so we have to write there 1. And posts per page, in one page how many posts will appear. I want to set 4. So now we have to do as same as normal posts or default posts, same as PHP block, while loop, have posts the post, but in here we have to keep it in this variable because we have run query in that variable, so we also keep it in that variable. Now we have to set the post thumbnail, we have to set the title, and we have to set the content. And the rest I will remove the rest because we used while loop here. It will show every post of our WP dashboard. And now if we reload our front end, we will see that our member is showing. So we can now make dynamic our custom post type, and we can make dynamic our default post type. Thank you, stay safe. Thank you for the watching this video.